How is it going? So today we are going to look at how we execute trades on the MetaTrader 5. So in this video we are going to cover how we set up our currency pairs or quotes. Then we are going to look at how we arrange our quotes. Then how do we place our trades. Then we are going to look at stop loss and take profit. So let's dive into it. So when you open the MT5 Trader app, I'm using my desktop. So when you open the MT5 Trader app, it's going to bring you the quotes menu as the landing page. So we see this plus icon. So this plus icon is going to be for adding any of our quotes of our choice. So let's say I want to add Euro USD. I will deal with the majors. Let's say I want to add Euro USD. I'll tap on it. Let's say I want to add maybe DXY. I don't know if these people have DXY in TradingView. Maybe USD, JPY. So let me put USD, JPY. So I'll tap on that so that we have them to our quotes menu. So quotes, like what they mean, quotes means this. Quotes mean the currency pairs or anything commodity or anything tradable. So this is the quotes. So as you see here, we have the low, maybe, which is the daily low, and the high, which is the daily high. So here we see the spreads, which is the cost of transaction. I'm using a zero spread account or a raw spread account. So let's dive into it. So we have our charts menu here. I'm going to be repeating some stuff. I had covered it, but it's okay. So we have our charts menu. Whenever you select here charts, it brings you whichever currency of your choice you had selected. Let's say for this case I have gold. So if I want to put USD JPY, I'll tap on chart and it comes here. But the simplest way to do that, I can also change from here. I put anywhere like GBP USD. So we have this pen. The function of it is to remove when you're still setting up this entire thing. So the function of it is to remove any currency that you don't like. Let's say I'll remove the GBP, the USD JPY. So I'll tap on this and then it's out. So now I go back to our charts menu. So let me zoom out. So we are going to look at order, how we place orders. So we'll see trade here. It will bring us to where our positions are going to be. So if I place a trade, it's going to come here automatically. So we are going to deal with basically these two here. So we are going to look at our order types. This one is the crosshair. We use it for adjusting price or checking price. So this here is the functions or the indicator window. So this one is time. You tap here to change any time of your choice. We are going to look at this one is called the pending orders, the clock, and this is called one-click trading, or it is for instant direct execution or market execution as it suggests. So we are going to look at, maybe we change to gold, XAU, USD. So we are going, those who have been asking me, you want to start trading on demo, you want to start practicing, this is how you do it. This is how you place trades. So we are seeing here, these are candlestick patterns. So I covered this and I have a full tutorial and a full PDF about candlestick patterns precisely, which is very easier than, you can read it in conjunction with the Candlestick Bible. So it has confirmations and patterns. I'll be dropping the links for it. So let's look at this. we are going to now function number one. You're going to look at this one, which is like the minus, or it's like the button. It looks like a button. So this one looks like a clock. We tap on this icon or this button, we shall see it will bring out the sell, buy, and what. So this buy, we place buy when we are anticipating the price to go upwards. By default, we have two colors here on your screens. You'll find red and green. Red is for sales or intending price going downwards, and we have the green, which is for buys or the bulls intending price is going upwards. So we shall look at this, will help us in position sizing depending on our capital we have. I'll cover that in another video. So we are going to see how we place trades basically. So when I tap on this, you like the way you're seeing it, supposedly my prediction or my forecast is going to be maybe price is going to go up, it is going to continue to go up, and I feel like I want to enter. You just place buy like that. And supposedly if I'm anticipating price to go downwards, it doesn't matter whichever length or where it reaches, I'll tap on sell like that. Then one thing I'll recommend, once you're done placing your orders, it's okay to tap again. You take that away because you're going to place trades. Maybe supposing you tap on this when you don't know, you're going to place trades you're not aware of. So it's not even good to place this, because if somebody doesn't have self-control, you might do any sluggish mistake and then you place trades without prior analysis. Don't try placing trades without analysis to it. So you place your trades here. So if it's sell, let's check and see. So I've placed a buy and a sell. So our sell is in money because price is dropping. So we anticipated it to drop, so now it's dropping. So let's check on the 15-minute. Price is dropping. So we've seen this one is for direct or instant execution. Immediately if you place sell, price is going to go downwards. Immediately once you place, it gets triggered. That's why it's called instant execution. Okay, so that is instant execution. Let me leave it like that for now. So we are going to go back to our second function. This is for pending orders. Most people use this one. This one is a bit for professionals, pending orders. So this is the second type, order type. So in pending orders we have like 4 order types. We have the buy stop stroke sell stop, then we have the buy limit stroke sell limit, then we have buy stop limit stroke sell stop limit. I'm saying stroke, it's like they move along. It's the opposite, to mean the opposite. What does it mean? Let me give you a hint or a hack so that you can learn this easily. Whenever you see the word stop, in this case it's going to mean continuation. Are you getting me? Continuation. Whenever you're seeing a direction, whatever direction, when you see stop, if you want to place a trade, stop is going to mean continuation. Whenever you see limit, limit is going to mean bounce or a pivot, like more of a turning point. Limit is going to be turning point or a bounce, anything in that manner. Let's see. Supposedly we are anticipating price to go down, still to go down below this point. What will I do? I'll place stop, because I'm saying stop for continuation. So I'll use the stop, the sell stop. How do I put it? I come here, I tap here, I bring it here, then I tap here where there is the definition or the word, it comes stop. So what does it mean? In case price continues dropping further or dipping further and it reaches this point, if it goes beyond this point, our trade will be triggered and executed. Our order will be filled. So in case it goes down, it will come like, it will turn into a sell. The word stop will disappear, then it will turn into a sell. Then the same case, in case price comes here and then it goes up, it bounces. No, let me not go there before, sorry for that. The same way, in case price goes up, let me use on a smaller time frame so that we get this going. So supposingly you anticipate price to go here, and maybe you think that you will miss to catch this, maybe there is rapid movement and you feel like from this point onward it's going to go up, so that is to buy. So I'll come here, instead of the word limit, I'll tap on it, it becomes stop, because I'm saying stop, I want it to continue in this particular kind of direction. So once you come here, they are going to be as pending orders, they won't be executed here, they won't be executed here, they are going to come down here until when the order is placed. The order is placed until when it gets filled, so that's when it's going to be active. Right now, whenever you see stop or limit, when it's still written on these lines, so that means the trade is not filled yet. So I think we are done with that. So we are going to look at limit. Limit, like I had said, it means like a pivot, or it means like a bounce off. So our buy has been triggered because price, now you're going to see there were two here, now it's one. Our buy has been triggered because price has gone into that direction. Our buy is triggered, so it has been executed while I was still making this video. So our buy is triggered. So we are going to look at the second order type. It's going to be limit. Limit will be a bounce of, let's say, supposingly if I suspect price to come, let's say this point, for sure I could use only this. Maybe I suspect or anticipate price to tap this region, it comes to this region. So, or this line, like I'm using this price here. So, and I feel like it will only reach here, then it goes back up. It will come here, drops down or dips down, then it taps this region, then it goes up, it continues to my direction. So I'll come here, I'll adjust this. Sometimes it will be automatic, they bring it limit, but in case you had taken it somewhere, then when it comes to this point, it will come, maybe you have this, then you tap, it becomes a buy limit. Let's say I put it here, so that I suspect price is going to tap here, then it goes up. That's what I'll do, then it will get placed. Supposingly I anticipate price to come here still. This can only be executed when price is above for buys and is below for sell. What do I mean by above? When price is already going up, so we suspect it to first drop, then it continues. The same applies if we want to put a sell limit. Price has to be going down already, and then it has to first go up and taps this region, then gets triggered. So our sell limit, like that, supposingly I anticipate price to tap this region, then it comes back, tapping that region, then it will come back down. So that will be the sell limit. It's like a bounce off. Once price has passed through that region, that's why I'm saying it will be invalid. Supposingly, let's say I anticipate my price to reach there, to go down, I'll put sell limit. This one will be valid because price hasn't reached this place. So when it taps there onto that, it is going to be activated and it becomes a sell. So if it reaches that point, then it drops down our trade will be executed as a sell. Our trade will be executed as a sell. So I think we are done with that. We shall only use two. We won't look at buy stop limit, sell stop limit. We've said for limit, like this one, you see, it has to first tap on it, then it gets filled. When it taps on it, it's filled now. It's filled now. So it has been filled, been removed from here. It's filled. So when it goes down, it will be in our favor. When it's filled, it becomes a trade, like you see here. So now it's making us some money. This is our last trade, our sell, the one on top here. So that's it. That's how you place orders. So we are going to go to the second chapter of this video. We are going to see how we set stop loss and take profit. Let's start with these trades. How do we set stop loss? So setting stop loss, this is what I was taught. And most people, they will just be like, maybe they just up here and be like, I'm ready to lose or risk about price will come about $1 on this trade. So he will bring price to where he wants it to be. Then he'll be like, I'm placing it there. I'm losing only $1 on this trade. So once the price taps this point, I'll be stopped out. My trade will be closed. There will be no further loss. So, or you can now have been stopped out. We are going to come to history and made some